Very good morning, friends. I am Nalini Swami. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. Here, in this Nifty, on the Nifty, I have enabled two indicator. That is NALINI Lorentz system. Let me write down. I have already explained about the NALINI Lorentz system. It is the market structure with the higher high, higher low, and incorporated trend filter, range filter, and also it will give you range breakout. This is the complete system for the market structure. Suppose if you can see here clearly, the market made high, I'm picking up wrong tone. Let me take it out. Here, market made an high and it came down, right? It came down and came down to the same level where it started. So we cannot make out, this is the range lows. We cannot make out. And to my observation, I found that 11:15 is the 108 Tesla time. 11:15 is 108 Tesla time. So 108 Tesla time, according to my observation, when those time zones, they cluster here. You can see over here, they started clustering over here. From there, when the price started to move above this 108 times slot, then price moved higher. And when price moved back to the same zone, again the Tesla time, 108. Let me write down 108 Tesla time. So you need to know that. So I coded for that. Just instead of that, I am applying the NALINI time machine. Let me apply the NALINI time machine. If I apply that NALINI time machine, let me zoom it out so that you can see clearly. This is the NALINI 108 time Tesla time, and then if the price, this is the zone actually. Zone has been created, and when price starts trading above this, it becomes positive. When it starts trading below this, it becomes negative. You can see these are aligning, clustering together. When it starts clustering there, at that time, it becomes very good. Actually, you can see on this day, market gapped up. Let me zoom this area. And this is Tesla time zone. The Tesla time zone beautifully aligns with NALINI precision engine. Where is that? NALINI precision engine. Noon layers. You can see noon layers over here. Noon layers over here. Tesla engine. When price starts moving above this, then trend started in the market. Let us go there to the top. What happened yesterday? This was the Tesla zone and price started falling below the noon layers. You can see the noon layers over here and also the pivot. and it could not sustain. It went through consolidation through time cycle and finally closed below. Now, today this Tesla time, suppose if price starts trading above this Tesla time, 23,976 to 23,962, that is a very watchful observation for the today. Suppose if the market gaps up like this above this Tesla time, let me make it, it is extending. Let me take out this, extend this one. If the price starts opening above this and trades and starts coming to even today's Tesla time aligns and clusters with each other, then a trend will be emerging in the market. Suppose if I go back, let me make it to know where are the Tesla times. If I go there, this is the Tesla time zone, previous. So this becomes, suppose if that's why market could not go up to this. This was the Tesla zone. And if I put a line over there, 24,021, 18. Exactly, you can see the bottom of the Tesla line, market did not go and it got rejected over here. And the Tesla, so then we can extend this Tesla zone to the right side. So for us, if the market starts trading above this level and if it starts going up to this Tesla level, 24,068, or I'm just an average, I'm putting it over here. We cannot fix because that is not the price level. Okay, this is the zone. Let me put this. Then if the market gaps up and starts trading above this Tesla zone, in the morning session, you can see market Nifty going up to 24,021. Why I selected 108 Tesla time is I noticed the market after the opening, after 9:15 or something, market trends up to 10 a.m. Many times we will not be able to catch that move. One minute. There is a problem, light problem. We will not be able to catch that move and we wait for the discount. By that time, actually, 108 time will arrive. And most of my observation, what I've observed is these price movements will stabilize around this time. Even the option pricing also, premium, they will stabilize. Otherwise, and also you will see lot of activity. The market becomes slow after some time and it becomes active. Then at that time, trend towards the upside or trend towards the downside will emerge. That's what I have observed. So 9:15 to a Tesla time, you need to watch. It becomes actually, it is a zone actually. You need to watch how the price action is there combined with Nalini Lorentz system or Nalini precision indicator. You can trade better. You can trade better. That is my observation. And you people also start looking for this and the Tesla time. Suppose, see how beautifully, if I put a volume profile over here in this area, let me take out and this, hide this one, and also hide the NALINI time machine. Just I wanted to show you people. Now, what are all the things? Let me take out, let me bring it to 15 minutes. So they are spread apart, and let me apply the TPO, time, price, opportunity. TPO. If I put the time, price, opportunity, can you see how they are aligning? How they are aligning? Only they are clustering actually. And let me make the TPO. It is on the daily basis. If I make it as a weekly, then you can see the trend emerged from the weekly. The price started moving, it started accumulating around the Tesla time and price started moving. Now, the price, our Indian market, price as Tesla time, the important level is 23,490. Market has crossed this and the important Tesla time, you can see it has been aligned exactly and another Tesla time is around 24,192. 192. It can do that. The market, if it crosses this, it can do that. Whether it will be this week, today is expiry day, weekly expiry, and market can may not go like this around this Tesla zone. It may take some breather and then it may make an attempt. For that, it can make an attempt. Suppose if it starts coming, this is the midpoint. If it starts coming down, then weakness will come into the market. So today is a very crucial day. Let me take out the TPO. TPO is not accessible for all the people. For that, I have coded market memory. Okay. Just I will hide everything, Nalini Lorentz system, and only I will enable even the Nalini precision engine, and I will enable only even Nalini precision indicator also I will disable just to check. This is the weekly POC and weekly value area high from my indicator. Okay. See, you can see the Tesla time aligning below this and moving above. Tesla time aligning here and weekly POC. Market climbing above and it has climbed this. Then let me go to the hourly time frame and the POC, point of control, exactly weekly point of control aligning with the Tesla higher zone, Tesla time zone, and it is value area high, 24,134. And if we make out, zoom it, the market has broken down below this and this is the value area low. Beautifully aligning with the Tesla time zone. See the things. These are the things which are hidden. You can, if you start observing this, you can trade better. Okay, friends, these are the Tesla zones. Tesla zones, with the Tesla zones, you can make out. See, they are all stuck together. Tesla time zone. How many days are there? Here in this, 1, 2, 3. Since I am on the hourly time frame, this is where exactly, if a call writer wanted to write the position, call write, this is the exact timing he could have done that, where you market is coming down. For that, let me hide this and NALINI precision indicator. With the help of NALINI precision indicator, you can make out the trend coming down. If I put see, it has turned, pivot has turned red, completely red, and Gann low. So for that, you can do the time machine NALINI Lorentz system. Let me hide this and let me enable the how all these concepts complement with each other. Price, price action, time, and also balance. If I put this one, you can see beautifully. This is a narrow CPR formed over here. I've added narrow CPR for this. And then beautifully expansion has come over here. This catches your eye, 23,920. Now let us come over here, and can you see so beautifully Tesla time aligning buy signals coming into the market and Gann aligning over here. Thank you very much, friends. Many people have accessed my indicator, all the Tesla machine, NALINI precision, as well as few have accessed Lorentz system. This is the complete market structure system which has taken care of time as well as market structure and the price balance. NALINI precision will give you price balance that is very, very important, which takes the rolling pivots, will take the balance and it will present you, it rolls along with the price, present you the balance as and when balance happens. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.